Okay, so today we're continuing our chords. Last time we looked at 9 chords and how to fit them all into a key. Today we're looking at 11 chords and how to fit them all into a key. So first off, let's start with minor 11, and we'll look at the A string root. So this is a D right here. We're going to look at D minor 11. Looks a lot like a D minor 7 chord with the third finger removed. If we were to do an E string root for minor 11, in this case A minor 11, it would look like this. So those are our minor 11 chords, which can be used for chords 2, 3, 6, or 7. The next chord type is the major 7 sharp 11, which on the A string would look like this. So this is a D major 7 sharp 11. And on the A string, in this, E string, it would look like this. This would be an A major 7 sharp 11. And these are where you would use 11 chords for the 4 chord. The last type that we'll look at is the dominant 11, which would just be written as 11. So if we were on this string, this would be a D11 or D dominant 11. If we were to do it on the E string, it would look like this. This would be A11. That's probably the trickiest shape of the bunch so far. And that would be used for a 5 chord. So if we were going to play from C, walk up this string through all the different types of 11 chords in the key. First chord would not have an 11, just regular major or major 7. Chord 2 would be minor 11, in this case D minor 11. Third chord, minor 11. Fourth chord, major 7 sharp 11. Fifth chord, 11 or dominant 11. Sixth chord, minor 11. Seventh chord, minor 11, and then back to 1 again. So cool little trick that the minor 11 is on chord 2, 3, 6, and 7, so you can move that one shape around quite a bit. If we were to look at all those same chords traveling up the E string, in this case, let's say the key of G, we'd have one chord as major or major 7. The second chord would be the minor 11. The third chord would be minor 11. The fourth chord would be major 7 sharp 11. The fifth chord would be 11. The sixth chord would be minor 11. Seventh chord, minor 11. And then back to 1 again. So take all of your 11 chords, take all of your 9 chords, and try to play some chord progressions with them.